The
What's the title?
In May.
Okay.
The sun will.
Do you know that word?
No.
Can you say just that part? What's that? What word does that make?
Shine. Shine in May. Then we will get to play at it may rain, but let us just wait. It may not.
Can you sound it out for me? Yeah, good job.
Stay that way. The sun may rise the next day.
Good. Okay.
Circle the word
with
A-T-I-A-I.
Do you see a word in there? It's one of the words that you asked me how to pronounce.
There's one word.
Oh, your hand's covering it, actually.
Wait. This word?
What is it? Say the word.
A-I.
Can you say the word?
Eight. Wait.
Yep.
Wait.
Good job. Okay, let me move this so you can circle it better.
And rain.
Yes, that's right. So the sun will shine in May, then we will get to play. It may rain, but let us just wait. It may not stay that way. The sun may rise the next day. Okay, you see, write 2 words that rhyme with May.
May Day. So do I write day?
You sure do.
I know.